Right guys, welcome back to Exploring with Lewis. We're going to take you around a revisit of abandoned air raids. Subscribe to me, subscribe to the boys, you know the one. Peace. So yeah guys, we're in the old abandoned air raid shelter. Look at that, the old seat, bed as well. Have a game of football. Why not? But yeah, old abandoned air raid shelters guys. Yeah, take you around it. Looks quite different in here since I've come back. So yeah, we'll go this way. Well, it is 6 miles long. It's south of Manchester, it says, as well. Old light in there, guys. Someone's left a hat. We'll go this way. Probably a dead end that way. Come down here. The old bin back in the day. Crazy. It is quite spooky though, I'm not gonna lie. The old beds. Cone. Right. All the scratchings on the wall where people used to live down here back in the day. Look at that, the old beds. It's just mad. Like that, look at the bricks, like where you walk in. It's just mad how it's built into the wall. Look at the beds, guys. It's absolutely still here. Can't believe it's still here, the beds. Take a walk down here, guys, because I think these are the toilets. Yeah, toilets. Look at the scratchings on the wall. It's mad. Look, there's a toilet seat as well with a seat on it. So it'd be like the same layout, with a lid handle on it. And it's just absolutely long. People have been living down here. Definitely be careful out for needles. Right, look at the pipe. Look at that. We'll go back through this way. Right, look at that. It's just mad how it's laid out. Look at that. So this must have been for the ladies or the gents. And this must have been the ladies. Same layout. bin seats. It's just the same like a layout. Back through we go. Yeah, people used to be like on top, middle, then bottom. So it'd be like kids at the top, family in the middle. So yeah, it'd be like parents at the top, kids at the bottom, and then down at the bottom, I think. It's just mad how it's still left. Look, it's absolutely creepy. It's just mad, it goes on and on. Look at that, the beds are still here. Look at the concrete. That's cool. It goes back this way. You could literally just get lost down here. Well, that way. It's dripping through. I'll definitely get some pictures of this, guys. That must be another way. The old bin. Some mad things down here though, guys. Not that. There's the football. So we'll go back this way. And we'll go down here. Absolutely mad, you can get lost. It's a bit spooky. Yeah, so I think it's down here. Like I say, you get lost here, it's down here. And come down this way. It's mad with all the beds. So you wouldn't think that we're underneath like the church and everything else. Absolutely creepy down here. Beds. What's that for? That little archway. Something's where if you ever get lost, like a sewing needle. Absolutely mad in here, guys, honestly. Go that way after. You remember them back in the day? And come to the other side. This is where it echoes. Upstairs we go. Mad. So, yeah, we'll go back down. Mad, honestly. So we'll go this way. You got the old lanterns for like the train tracks. And it's just bunk beds, what's been left for so many years. Mad, guys, honestly. I love sort of stuff like this in the underground. Just enjoy the peace and quiet. So it's a dead end. So we'll go this way. It's mad, like you're going down, you can feel, literally, you can feel it just dropping. That's a good picture, that. Definitely got some pictures after this, guys. I love sort of stuff like this. I wonder what they'll do with it. I think they'll just leave it. I wonder. Go this way. Oh, just back in. What's that one? No, I've seen that before. What are these? Yeah, but they were pucker back in the day. Day on it. 15th of June. June. It's madness, guys. Oh shit. I think someone's trying to setting the beds on fire. Old yogurts. Crisp packets. You know, I survived. Everything else has just been burnt. Even one there as well. What the fuck? Wow. Another bottle over there. Yeah, someone's tried setting it on fire. Wow. Definitely get lost. Oh. Someone's been knitting because they've got that bored. Where's the toilets? It's mad. Sorry about the lights, guys. I need to get a new torch. half a bed. So there, we'll go back up. And we'll go this way. Oh yeah, here we go. Wow. You remember them back in the day? Wow. Look at the date on that. That's mad. What's the date on this one? I bet they were sick back in the day. And then cherry cola. Wow. Monster Munch. What was the date on then? Crisp packet, what was the date on that? See? Remember they're back in the day. Mad little can that. Wow, I've never seen that before. deck, does it say? Can't tell. That's mad. Oh yeah, I didn't see that. Wow. And then you got that one. Wow, that's mad. Suck it. Yeah, that's mad. That. And then oh, Pepsi. Just got to look on the beds. You never know what you might find. Kind of stellar. Tight little squeeze this. Imagine sleeping here. Oh, that'd be claustrophobic, that. But it's got to be done, hasn't it? So, yeah. Long this, guys. Trust me. Remember them back in the day. So, yeah, guys. I think that's it of the abandoned air raids. So, yeah. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to the boys. You know the one. Peace. So, yeah, guys. Come this way. I've not been this way yet. Come down here. Ah, look at the beds. So mad in here, guys, honestly. Funny. Yeah. So it comes to a dead end. Yeah. Come this way. Yeah, we have. Yeah. So yeah guys, that's it of the revisit of the abandoned air raid shelters. Hope everyone enjoyed it. Yeah, subscribe to me, subscribe to the boys, you know the one. Peace.